Welcome to Atlantic UK Architectural Hardware. In this video, we'll walk you through how to install a latch. Start by marking the height of your door handle. This is typically around 1 metre from the floor. Use this mark to centre your latch position on the edge of the door. Drill a hole into the edge of the door using the correct size drill bit to match the latch body. This hole should be deep enough to house the full length of the latch. Use a chisel to square off the hole. Insert the latch into the hole and mark around the faceplate with a pencil. Carefully chisel out the marked area so the faceplate sits flush with the door edge. Next, mark out where the spindle hole needs to be on the face of the door to line up with the spindle hole in the latch. This is where your handle spindle will pass through. Mark on both sides, then drill from each side of the door to meet in the middle. Place the latch back into position and fix it using the supplied screws. Close the door and mark the spot on the frame where the latch tongue hits. Next, outline the strike plate and drill out the area where the dust box will go. Use a chisel to clean up the dust box area and the edge of the door frame, ensuring the strike plate sits flush. Finally, secure both the dust box and the strike plate with the remaining 2 screws provided. Once your latch is secure, install your handles on both sides of the door and test to make sure the latch operates smoothly. For more information, fitting guides and to explore our full range of high quality latches and door hardware, visit us at atlantichandles.com. Thanks for watching.